Château Larcis Ducasse is the Premier Grand Cru Classé, a first growth of the B category, a classified growth of the famous 2012 classification of the wines of Saint Emilion in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Château Larcis Ducasse is located in an area of Saint-Émilion near the village that is called the Côte Pavie on the limestone plateau next to the famous Château Pavie. The wine estate history dates back to the 16th century and it's been now owned by the same Gratiot Alphandéry family since the 1940s. Larcis Ducasse's vineyards average 35 years of age and cover about 11 hectares or 27 acres, mainly planted of Merlot as is common on the Right Bank of Bordeaux, with a small amount of Cabernet Franc. Despite the relatively small size of the estate, soils and terroirs are varied here from alluvial sandy deposits to clay, limestone and chalk. Two particularities in terms of winemaking at Larcis Ducasse: whole bunch fermentation of the grapes and malolactic fermentation in oak barrels. Château Larcis Ducasse produces around 4,000 cases of wine every year, with their second labeled or second wine being called Murmure de Larcis Ducasse. Murmure de Larcis Ducasse. Understand the whisper of Larcis Ducasse. Château Larcis Ducasse, the typical French pronunciation, Château Larcis Ducasse. Château Larcis Ducasse. If you want to learn more about the classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion, I made a video explaining how it was done and why some wines are considered better than others. I will link to that video at the end of this very video. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.